Is this the quiet before the storm or what, guys? Because right now we pulling back almost 3% for SMCI because we've got the test around the 44 as we discussed the day before on Monday, and of course we discussed it on Sunday. The resistance around the 44. Look with me closely, guys. I'm not gonna talk too long here because the short speaking everything here and straight to the point. I don't want to waste your time and my time. Go straight to the point and just telling you what's gonna happen here. We have three tests here, guys. The first one is at the end of May, and here twice in May, and right now in June. We have three tests, guys, for this level. The strongest level, for my opinion, for confirmation for a squeeze, because last time we have the jump, as we discussed before, it was back here in beginning of May. We have a jump, we have a consolidation, we have a breakout from this channel, we have a bounce from the support at 39, and we have a really good bounce here. Let me just show you. We did a really good jump, 12%, not that much. Of course, one of you is saying not that much, Jesus. I agree with you, because it's just 12%, because if SMCI jump, it should jump at least 50% like what we did back in May. For now, we have a consolidation zone. We don't have a confirmation yet, guys, for when and where we know where, but we don't know when exactly the market maker will enter. But we have alert right now around the 44. We didn't break this alert yet because we have a test and a fake out just here, guys. Today I think we got at the market open, we have a fake out around the 44 and the price pulled back because we didn't hold over this support, guys. We're gonna discuss SMCI early on tomorrow if we have the gap over the 44, because right now SMCI is pretty sensitive right now. It's like a baby, need to be taken care of, because if you put the baby in the jungle, it would be eaten by a lion, or worse, by hyena. However, SMCI is a bit vulnerable right now near the 44. So we don't want to get excited before the breakout. We have to be patient for the breakout to happen, because the more that we wait below the 44, the bigger the squeeze will be. Just from my opinion, guys. I'm not suggesting everybody to buy, or this is kind of not financial advice, of course, but from past experience, from the other pump that happened before for SMCI, every time SMCI take a bit of time for a squeeze, or we take a bit of time for a pump, or few days we have a consolidation up and down, is mean there's something about to happen for SMCI pretty soon, like what happened back here once we have the unusual flush before the earnings and then unusual pump for SMCI. So everything could happen for SMCI in coming days. For now, we need to hold over the 41.55, break the 44.24 in order to go toward the 46 and 47 and beyond for SMCI. Again, guys, I don't want to speak so much here. If you want to have early access to SMCI, and of course early access for other trade that we do every day, depends on the play, depends on the, of course, the volatility. Last time we did for CRDO, so we do swing trade and we do day trade every day on our Discord and Patreon. The link comes section below, guys, if you want to join. In the meantime, don't forget the 44.24 breakout. We don't want to have a fake out. We need to hold over this level to confirm a squeeze for SMCI before the end of this week by Friday. So let me know, comment section below, guys, what you think about the price action for SMCI. Are we gonna have the squeeze or the breakout for the over the 44 next week, or by tomorrow? Thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow.